my name is Darius and I'm a licensed estate agent in Spain. So if you like Spain and thinking about investing in this beautiful country, follow this channel and text me on WhatsApp number you can find in my profile. Join me today to visit beautiful house in Murcia, in region Murcia. It's called Costa Cálida. The house is fully equipped and it's got 130 square meters of usable area and 4 bedrooms, and the price is only 725,000 euros. So here we've got spacious living room with big windows, access to the swimming pool. From the swimming pool you've got access to the back street as well. Here we've got everything here. Everything you can see is including the price, including 85-inch television with the satellite. Here we've got the automatic. You can make some shade automatically here. Also, all the shutters and mosquiteers are included. It's everything is automatic. The furniture here, as you can see, Angel Cerda, which is very high-end furniture. It's all solid wood, and also the leather sofas, the table, everything is solid. So, because those people, the people who want to sell it, they created this house for themselves, and after 1 year they decided to move to other part of Spain. So that's why they are selling. This is a family house, 4 people living here full time. Of course, they are going to take their own like personal belongings, but the furniture downstairs are staying, and everything you can see here. The fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances. It's all custom made as well. Here we've got little space for washing machines. And here it used to be a garage, but they decided to make it like a training room on different kind of equipment, but you can convert it back to the garage or the bedroom number 4, because this house originally has 3 bedrooms, and this one is it could be bedroom number 4. Very spacious. Also here we've got like additional space. It could be, in general, it's like an outside space, but you can open the roof and open the window, and also the storage and all the equipment like boilers, etc. are hidden. And the house itself is like fully automatic smart home, and everything could be adjusted from your application on your mobile phone. And so you can put the heater on, you can put the underfloor heating as well, because the whole house has got the underfloor heating, as well as the central air conditioning and the central heating as well. You can adjust every room's temperature separately. So, as you can see, this is air zone. You can adjust the room temperature, and here you've got the underfloor heating. So, for instance, in the winter, you can just use underfloor heating. And also all the shutters here, so you can close the shutters. Here you've got like a small bedroom or office, so everything is done very nicely and smart. You can see the storage here as well. Also, even the smallest room has got the underfloor heating and the air zone. And downstairs bathroom as well. We came to the main door. As you can see, there is some outside space, so in this house you can always find sun or the shade. The street, usual Spanish street. Every house is now finished. Welcome to your new home. Very quiet area. And this home has got the nicest palm tree in there. Welcome to your new home, where you can enjoy Spanish weather all year round. Which way? This way. This could be your master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. Also with access to terrace. Also this bedroom, all bedrooms, all rooms, they've got air zone and underfloor heating as well, so you can feel comfortable here. And the same, just mirrored bedroom with the bathroom. This one has got space to like a working space, and the bathroom as well, separate bathroom. As you can see, the mosquitiera is now on, and it doesn't only protect you from the mosquitoes, also it allows a little less light into the room. As you can automatically put it up or down. And here, your morning or afternoon terrace, where you can enjoy the weather. And the added value, a little surprise, your private roof terrace, your private solarium on the top, outside kitchen. And solar panels, so you can spare on electricity. So this house is very unusual. It's well equipped, and the family is using this house full time. If you like this home and thinking about investing in Spain, follow this channel and text me on WhatsApp number you can find in my profile. See you in Spain. Hasta la vista.